Hello viewers, in this video we're going to learn how to integrate this one by partial fraction. That is, solving this one by partial fraction. You're supposed to get the knowledge of partial fraction and how to solve a problem. Okay, the next thing to do here, we are going to consider the question given. The decomposition given here is the numerator is equals to the denominator. Therefore, you must do long division. There is a rule that says if numerator is greater than denominator, you must do long division to reduce the numerator. Always the denominator must be greater than the numerator. Even if the numerator is equals to the denominator, you must do long division to resolve the issue. Okay, here now we can do long division by saying here we have 2x squared plus x minus 6 into 6x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now we can do long division to reduce the numerator. Here we can have 6x squared into 2x. We have x cancel x, we have 6 divided by 2. Here we have 3. Okay, we can multiply this 3 by the whole of this. We have 2 times 2x squared. Here we have 6x squared plus 3 times x. Here we have 3x. We have 3 times minus 6. Here we have minus 18. Here we can subtract this equation. Can subtract this by this, where we can have, let's assume this is in bracket. This minus will make this one to become plus. Then this minus this, here will be, this minus this here is 0. Minus 2 here plus 3. Here we can have minus x. We have minus x. Here we can have 1 minus 18. Here we can have plus 19. Okay, since we dissolve the issue into partial fraction, we reduce the numerator. Now we can have this is equals to 3 minus x plus 19 all over this, all over 2x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, then this is the minus here. Then this one is equals to this one. Therefore, we can clean the long division here. When cleaning the long division, then we can continue with this one. Remember that since this is quadratic function, you must factorize this one. Okay, when factorizing this one, I think you can have something like x plus 19 all over x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. That is the factor of this one. If you factorize this, you obtain this. Remember, the factorization is if you have 2x squared plus x minus 6, you multiply a times c. Where you can have here is 12. Find two numbers. If you add, you get x. If you multiply, you get 12. Okay, where you have 2x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 6. Here you have 2x into x plus 2 into minus 3 into x plus 2. That is, if you move the bracket, you go back to the equation. The factor here is x plus 2 and 2x minus 3. This is where we dissolve into this step. Okay, that is, we factorize the denominator. Then the next thing to do here, you can have something like this. You can dissolve into partial fraction where you can have x plus 19 minus x plus 19. Here is minus x plus 19 all over x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. This is equals to, you can provide constant as x plus 2 plus 2x minus 3. Here will be b, here will be a. You can provide constants when solving using partial fraction. Okay, remember that you can multiply the whole of this by the LCM, which is the LCM here is the LCM here. That is x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. So that to keep the fraction away, you can multiply to this multiply by this. This one will cancel this, remain minus x plus 19 is equals to this one multiply by this. This will cancel this. Remember a times this. Remain a multiply by 2x minus 3. That is this one multiply by this. This will cancel this. Remain this. B multiply by this. You have plus b multiply by x plus 2. If you wish, you can use plug-in method, or you can use simultaneous method to solve the problem. Let's use simultaneous method. Let's open the bracket. Here we have minus x plus 19 is equals to a times 2x, 2a. Here we can have 2ax minus a times minus 3. Here you have minus 3a plus bx, b times x, b times 2. Here we have plus 2b. Then we can factorize those with having x in one place. Here we have 2ax, 2a plus b, x outside, we factorize x outside. You have minus 3a plus 2b. Those without x in one place, which is equals to minus x plus 19. Here we can say we have something like, we have 2a plus b is equals to the constant given the x here is minus 1. Here we have minus 1. The next one we can take minus 3, minus 3a. Here we have plus 2b is equals to 19 here. That is, we dissolve into simultaneous linear equation. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Then we can solve this equation simultaneously by multiplying equation 1 by 2, equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 2. We can multiply equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 2. Okay, we can dissolve into the step. This is 2a times 3. Here we have 6a plus 3b is equals to minus 3. This is equation 3. Here we can multiply this one by 2. We have minus 6a plus 4b is equals to 2 times 19. Here we have 19 times 2, we have that 8. This is equation 4. By subtracting equation 1, by adding Let's add the equation together. Here will be 0. We eliminate a. Remain b. 3 plus 4. Here we have 7b. 7b is equals to minus 3. 3 minus that 8. Minus 3 plus that 8. Here we have minus. Here we have p 35. That is, we have 7b. 7b is equals to 35. We have 7b is equals to 35. We divide both sides by 7. We have 7 by 7 here by 7. We can divide 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7. Here we can have something like 5. That is, b is equals to 5. We can substitute b in equation 1. Equation 1 here, we can substitute. We can put b is equals to 5 in equation 1. Where is the equation 1? 2a plus b is equals to minus 1. We have 2a plus 5 is equals to minus 1. We substitute into equation 1. That is, we put 5 here. We substitute. We have 2a is equals to minus 1 minus 5. We have 2a is equals to minus 6. Divide both sides by 2. Here by 2, we have a is equals to 2 cancel out here. We have 6 divided by 2. Here we have minus 3. Therefore, we have our a as minus 3 as our b is. Here we come, says, since our a is half, our a is minus 3 and our b is 5, we can substitute into this equation. Remember that we have 3 minus, since the a is getting minus, here is having minus, we can multiply and get plus 3 into x plus 2. That is plus, the b is 5 here, we can put 5 all over 2x minus 3. Remember that we are going to find the integration of this one. When finding the integration of this, we can have something like, we integrate 3, we can have here is equals to 3x. 3x plus the absolute value. You can take 3 ln absolute value of x plus 2. That is plus 5 over 2. Here you can have 5 over 2 ln the absolute value of 2x minus 3 plus c. That is the final stage. When solving this by partial fraction, this is what you get. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.